Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I got a little project here, a little short one, at least I hope it's short. My daughter sent over a bunch of yogurt containers that she wants me to set them up for like little pots, like this little cheap plastic thing that I used to start the tomatoes and stuff in. But these here are a little bit stronger, sturdier, and so hopefully they'll work a little better for her. The only thing I'm worried about is that when I start to drill the holes in the bottom, that the drill bit may crack it or whatever. I'm going to have to see how this works. So hopefully this works fairly easy and I give you a good way to do it. If not, you'll learn what not to do. Alrighty, well, let's get on this. Alright, so I got my Harbor Freight drill bit set here, and I'm going to try the 1/4 inch bit first, see what, that's the biggest one, and see what that does on it, and we'll see if it breaks it or not. Cool, no breakage. Went in there, left a little dingleberry in there. There we go. Nice and cleanly done. Only put some more holes in it here. I should put it up on high speed now. Cool. Just a couple dingleberries on the inside here. I can pop those out fairly easy. And yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and see how many more here I can do in one shot. Do several at once here. See what happens here. Okay. That one came out a little bit cleaner. This one has some dingleberries on the outside, but that really doesn't matter. 1 through 2. 1 through 3. 1 through 4. 1 through 5. Almost got all 6 on this one. So let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to try 6 because these have a little bit, these don't stand as tall as these do for their sizes here. So I should be able to go through 6 of these. Let's see what happens. Oh, that one's a bit tougher in the middle. Now the bottom on this, on the Yo Play, is a bit thicker than it is on the Zoe Greek stuff. So we'll see if it's just in the center or all over. Okay, it seems to be just the center that's really tough. So let's see what we got here. Okay, she tried putting some dirt in that one. Got 1, 2. That one has some dingleberries out here on the back. Let's get those off of there. Somebody might call these Irish pennants, but they're not threads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, did all 6. Yeah. 6 at a time will work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's gonna have 6 on this one too, so. Yep, all the way through to the middle ones. I'll let her finish pulling the plastic off of those. You sure can't tell where the plastic winds up a little bit thicker than the other spots. Yep, all of them work good. Well, project's done quick, couple minutes, boom. Now she has 22 little pots from recycled yogurt containers. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please click the little red button down below that says subscribe. When it turns gray, click on the little bell that pops up next to it. That'll make sure you get notified every time I post a video. Doesn't mean you have to watch it, just that you'll get notified. Also, if you can give me a thumbs up, say you like the video, that will help me out with YouTube's analytic. I'm also still doing my 1,500 subscriber giveaway, so I'll have a link to that in the last 20 seconds of the video here. Got a little trailer there that has that and a couple other important videos you might be interested in. Alrighty, so as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.